What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be looking at a LED light strip by VDKK. This is going to be a neon flexible strip for your home or office, any cool space that you want to give a little RGB love to. We're going to go ahead and open this up, take a look at it, turn it on, and then we're going to install it and maybe make a pretty cool design with it. This is a flexible light, so you can make different neon light designs to fit, say for instance, a custom shape, or you can put it along your wall or put it along maybe some furniture, any way that you would like it. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. In the packaging, we have your LED light strip, of course. This is going to be a 5-meter version. You have your remote, your power supply, your remote control, and it comes with some clips so you can install this on the wall or any surface. So let's go ahead and cut this on to take a quick look at it, and then we're going to install it. It has different modes. The light actually changes with music, or you can change just the color. Let's see what we can go with here. Green, nice blue. You can see here it has a nice traditional neon light sign, so you're not seeing the individual LED light bulbs in here. So that's what makes this pretty cool. So now that we see how it works, let's go ahead and get it installed, and we'll go over some more features. Now, some of the features of this LED light is that it works with a remote, or it works with an app, and it's also enabled. So you can have the light set up and controlled with your favorite voice commands. Hopefully the information I gave you was helpful. If you have any more questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.